No, we're not. Doing a closed Gibney for an Eversion sprain, so you're going to start by spraying the foot. Then you're going to put heel and lace pads. Just make your athlete go into dorsiflexion. One right there. One below the ankle. Then you're going to pre-wrap it. Put a little bit of tension. Then you're going to start doing your anchors. So first layer is always directly on the skin. So sorry, Tyler.
It's okay.
Then you're going to overlap your anchors by a half strip. You're going to do one anchor around the foot, splay. So since it's an Eversion, we're going to do 4 stirrups. So you're going to start your first one on the lateral aspect of the foot, anchor it down. Then you're going to do a stirrup, so anchor on this one. Your second stirrup, you're going to go directly over this one on the medial side and lay it on the lateral side. And you're going to do a stirrup, horseshoe. Thanks, Tyler. Your third stirrup, it's going to be on the lateral side. Your third horseshoe. And your last stirrup on the medial side going lateral. And your last horseshoe. Now you're going to do heel locks. You're going to do 2 on each side. You start with the lateral one, anchor it, go under the calcaneus. Then you're going to do a medial one. Do another lateral one. And another medial one. So now you're just going to close your strips. And you're going to finish with Louisiana. Go under the calcaneus. Over to lock it, under the calcaneus. Go over to lock it. And you're going to finish with figure 8. Don't forget to splay. Can you move it? Do you feel good?
That's great.
Cap refill. Retest your special testing.